mindful of some of the intense demands that you're placing on yourself at the moment, dear Sagittarius. I feel like there's 2 or 3 demands, and you're trying really hard to force these demands on yourself. We could even say 2 or 3 very heavy expectations that you have of yourself. And what you're doing is you're squashing your intuition by forcing these expectations to come to fruition, by forcing these demands and trying really hard to take certain actions that match these demands and or expectations. You're squashing your intuition. You're not listening to what truly matters. You're listening to ideas and expectations and demands that are not true for you. So of course, when we're in the thick of those types of demands and expectations, because we are forcing change, we don't realize that those things are not true for us. Your opportunity at the moment is to take a few steps back again. And I feel like this is going to be an ongoing message for the Sagittarians at the moment. And taking a few steps back requires a conversation for yourself, meaning something to the tune of, I'm just going to take a break today from these expectations and demands. I need a break. My body needs a break. My mind needs a break. And I'm going to step back for 3 hours. That might mean you switch your phone off, you get away from all the noise, the mayhem, and those 3 hours you spend maybe in nature, go for a swim, go for a walk. Anything that can support the mind and body to be as deeply relaxed as possible. Because when you arrive at that space of relaxation in the mind and body, you're able to then recognize where these demands are coming from or these expectations and how they're not serving you. Your ability to free yourself from them is then far greater than when you're in the midst of the chaos.